I bought pen only for myself.
It seems the students who are joining. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, dear students of class 10th. Yesterday we have done substitution method. This is, I think, lecture 3 of our pair of linear equations since we started with chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. In previous two classes, we have discussed the type of what actually is the meaning of pair of linear equations in two variables. We have discussed that. Now, in yesterday class, we have talked about the solution of linear equations by substitution method. Yes, we have done that. That is, from the given two linear equations, from one of the linear equations we take the value of one variable and substitute in the other linear equation in order to get the value of one variable. Later on we put that value in the other variable so as to get the two variables. Okay, so in today's class we will do elimination method. Okay, so once again, good morning, my dear students of class 10th. Let us start chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. See, pair of linear equations solution can be solved by these two methods. One is your graphical method, one is by graphical method, and another is your algebraic method. These are the two ways to solve pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations can be solved by graphical method or algebraic method. Algebraic method consists of three different things, three different types we can solve the algebraic method, that is substitution method, then you have got elimination method. All these we have talked about in our first class, but once again I am repeating it, elimination method. Elimination method, and number 3 is your cross multiplication. So these are the three types of algebraic solutions of pair of linear equations. So out of these three, we have talked about substitution method that we have done in our previous class, and the day before yesterday we have covered this topic of substitution method. Along with substitution method, we have also done how to frame the linear equation. Given some word problem, how to frame the linear equation. That's what we have done in our exercise 3.1. In 3.2 we haven't done yet because that consists of problems based on graphical method. And 3.3 we have done substitution method. Today we will proceed and do the elimination method. So today our topic is going to be the elimination method. So for elimination method, let us start and see this name elimination. Elimination means to remove, to move away, okay, or you can say to vanish one of the variables in order to get the value of other variable. So let us see what exactly is the meaning of elimination method in this solving of pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us take one example. So this is question number 1 for the day. Today's question. This is also your exercise 3.4, question number 1, first part. It says x plus y is equal to 5 and the other one is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So these are the two pair given to us, pair of linear equations. Before I go forward, I would like to tell you that see, given any one linear equation in two variables, how many solutions are possible? Infinite solutions are possible for a given linear equation in two variables. Okay. See, for this linear equation, x plus y equal to 5. If you take x equal to 0, y will be equal to 5. That is a solution. If you take x equal to 1, y will be 4. So x equal to 1, y equal to 4 is another solution. If you take x equal to 2, in that case y will be 3. So that again is another solution. In this way, you can have infinite solution for a linear equation in two variables. But if we have a pair of linear equation in two variables, what are the possible solutions? How many solutions are possible? That we will discuss. Definitely we will see whether what are the three different solutions are possible for linear equations in two variables. We can have no solutions, that is zero solution, then one solution or infinite solution. When we talk about the graphical solution, then we will discuss in detail that part. For today, we are doing the elimination method. So see, here the coefficient of x here is 1 and coefficient of y is 1 and here the constant term is 5. Similarly, in the other one, we have coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is minus 3 and the constant is 4. So, in order to make the coefficient of y same as coefficient of 3 in this particular equation, what we can do, or we can also make the coefficient of 2 equal. So, for that, multiplying equation 1 by 3. So this is your equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So x plus y equal to 5. We multiply this, we multiply it by 3. We multiply this by 3. So what you get? You get 3x plus 3y equal to 15. Equal to 15. Okay. So this one and the other one that is given to you is here. So you are having this one. This is 3x plus 3y equal to 15 that you have got after multiplying this equation with 3. Now the another linear equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now the coefficient in these, the coefficient of y is minus 3 and here coefficient of y is 3. In order to remove the variable y, what we do, we just add these two equations. Because the symbol is plus and minus, opposite sign is there, we will simply add these two equations. So adding, we get, if we add these two, we get this part gets cancelled. So you get 5x equal to 19. 5x equal to 19. Therefore, value of x is equal to 19 upon 5. So this is the value of x. X is equal to 19 upon 5. Okay. Now you have obtained the value of one variable. In order to get the value of other variable, you take x plus y equal to 5. Now x is 19 upon 5 plus y equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5 minus 19 upon 5. You calculate it. LCM is 5. So 5 into 5 is 25 minus 19, that is your 6 upon 5. 6 upon 5. So value of y is equal to 6 upon 5. So x is equal to 19 upon 5 and y is equal to 6 upon 5. Once again, let us see. These are the two given equations. We are going to solve it by elimination method. So for elimination, we need to make the coefficient of any one variable to be the same. Numerical value should be same. After that, we will decide whether we need to add it or subtract it. Okay. So this coefficient is y. In order to make the coefficient of y also 3, we multiply this equation by 3. So when multiplied by 3, we get 3x plus 3y equal to 15. This is also 15. Now adding. Why we need to add? Because 3x plus 3y equal to 15 and the other equation given was 2x minus 3y equal to 4. They are of opposite sign, so we can get rid of y by simply adding them. When we add, this plus 3y and minus 3y gets cancelled. 3x plus 2x is 5x and 15 plus 4 is 19. In this way, you get x is equal to 19 upon 5. So this is the value of one variable. That's not all. We need to find the value of the other variable as well. So we go to the first equation. This is our first equation, x plus y equal to 5. So value of x, that is 19 upon 5, substituted over here, plus y equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 and 19 minus 5 go to the other side, transposing. We get minus 19 by 5. LCM is 5. 5 into 5 is 25 minus 19. So 25 minus 19 is 6. 6 upon 5. So in this way, the value of one variable, that is x, was 19 by 5. The other variable y is equal to 6 upon 5. This is how we solve it. Now also I say that see, in this case, if you want to make the value of coefficient of x to be same, then how we will go? We will multiply it by 2. Let us see whether that also gives the same answer or not. We will do that. Here we have added, but now let us see. If we multiply equation number 1 by 2, then what happens? This is your 2x plus 2y equal to 10. So one equation, this is 2x plus 2y equal to 10 and the other equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now you are not going to add them because they are of the same sign. You need to subtract. If you subtract, this becomes minus, this is your plus and this is minus. So in this way, these two will get cancelled and you will get 5y. This is 5y equal to 10 minus 4, that is 6. 10 minus 4, that is 6. Therefore, y is equal to 6 upon 5. That's what the value we got when we make the coefficient of y equal and try to solve that. Then also you have obtained the value y equal to 6 by 5. And the other value, for the other one, x plus y equal to 5. Now you substitute the value of y, that is 6 upon 5 equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. This is equal to LCM is 5, 25 minus 6, that is your 19 upon 5. So value of x is again you have got, that is 19 upon 5. So my dear students, please see that elimination method, pair of linear equations can be solved by today's topic, that is elimination. Yesterday we have done substitution. Now today we are doing elimination by elimination. So elimination means removing. These are the two equations. Earlier we made the coefficient of y equal. Now we have made the coefficient of x equal. So for that we multiply equation number 1 by 2, because the coefficient of x is 2 here. When you multiply it by 2, you get x plus y equal to 5 into 2, that is 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Now you write it down, and the other equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Because these two both are of positive sign, you cannot add them, you need to subtract. If you subtract, this sign gets changed. This is plus 4 becomes minus 3y becomes plus 3y, and plus 2x becomes minus 2x. Okay. So after subtracting, you write by subtraction. You have subtracted it. So by subtraction, you get x gets cancelled. So x gets eliminated. We have eliminated x. Now this is 2y plus 3y, that is 5y. 10 minus 4 is 6. So y is equal to 6 upon 5. This is the value of the variable. Now you substitute it in the first equation, x plus y equal to 5. In this way you get x equal to 19 by 5. So I have shown you how you can eliminate one of the variables and find the value of the two variables by another. First one you get the value, and then you substitute it and get the value of the other variable as well. So now with this we proceed, and we will do the second part now. Clear? Everything is visible? Okay, now we will do the second one. Question number 1, second part. This is your exercise 3.4 of textbook, NCERT textbook. Second part is 3x plus 4y equal to 10, and the other one is 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Fine. Now in order to make the coefficients equal, what you can do? See, here the coefficient is 3 and here the coefficient of x is 2. If you want to make the coefficient of x equal in both these equations, then you have to multiply this equation by 2, and again you will multiply this equation by 3. In that case you will get 6x over here and also 6x in the second equation. So in that case you need to multiply both the equations. But in the other case you can see that this is 4 and this is 2. Because 4 comes in the table of 2, what we can do in order to make the coefficient of y equal, we can multiply this equation by 2. If we do that, you will get 4x minus 4y. So here the coefficient of y is 4 and here also the coefficient of y is 4. The numerical value is same, that is 4 and 4 if we multiply this by 2. So that will be easier. We will be multiplying just one equation. So that's a good idea. With that we proceed. Now this is your equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So multiply equation number 2 by 2. We get 2x minus 2y equal to 2. This you multiply by 2. So this is your 4x minus 4y equal to 4. Equal to 4. Now this is your, number it as third equation. Now this one is with positive sign, this with negative sign. The first one with plus 4 and the third equation is with negative sign. So definitely we are going to add. So by adding equation number 1 to equation number 3. Adding equation number 1 and 3. The first one is 3x plus 4y equal to 10, and the other one is your 4x minus 4y equal to 4. So if you add them, because coefficients are same and of course they are of different sign, plus and minus, so we will simply add them. We will add them. If we add, these two gets cancelled and this is your 7x equal to 14. Therefore, x is equal to 14 upon 7, that gives you x equal to 2. So this is one of the value of the variables, x is equal to 2. So with any one of the equations now, say if we take this, in order to get the value of y, you substitute in the other equation. This is your 2x minus 2y equal to 2. So you substitute 2 over here. 2 into 2 minus 2y equal to 2. Equal to 2. So this is 4 minus 2y equal to 2. Therefore, minus 2y equal to 2 minus 4. So, minus 2y equal to minus 2. Minus and minus gets cancelled. Y is equal to 2 upon 2, that is 1. Y equal to 2 upon 2, that is 1. So once again, let us see how to solve these equations by elimination method. Linear equations in two variables by elimination method. Elimination means removing. Given two equations, the pair of linear equations are 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. So, in order to make the coefficient of y equal the numerical value, we multiply the second equation by 2. So, when you multiply this by 2, you get 4x minus 4y equal to 4. Okay. Now, this is the third equation. The third equation and first equation, the coefficient of y are same and they are of. So we go for adding equation number 1 to equation number 3. Equation number 1 is your 3x plus 4y equal to 10, that is the given one, and 4x minus 4y equal to 4 you have obtained by multiplying the second equation by 2. Now you go for adding, these two gets cancelled, that is y is eliminated. Y is eliminated, that is why the name of such type of solutions is your elimination method. 3x 4x is 7x, 10 plus 4 is 14. So x is equal to 14 by 7, that is 2. Now we substitute this value of 2 in any one of the equation. We have taken the second one, so 2x minus 2y equal to 2. So 2 into this is the value of x so obtained. minus 2y equal to 2. So 4 minus 2y equal to 2. Minus 2y, 4 taken to the other side, 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. This is 2 minus 4. So minus minus gets cancelled. Minus 2y equal to minus 2. Minus minus gets cancelled. So y is equal to 2 upon 2. That is y equal to 1. Got it? The elimination method. Now let us do the third part. Third part is 3x minus 5y equal to minus 4. Equal to minus 4. Minus 4, oh, sorry, this is minus 4 over here. This is minus 4 equal to 0, and the other one is 9x equal to 2y plus 7. Okay. Now see, here all the terms, they are on the same side of the equation. But here we find the term with variable x is on one side and the other two terms, that is a constant, or the term with the variable y is on the other side. So the format of these two equations is not the same. So for that we need to first of all change them in the same format. Like over here we do it like it 3x minus 5y, take minus 4 to the other side, or you can leave it over here as well. So what you do, either you take it to the other side, or if you let it be on the same side, both are the correct way of doing it. So this is it. Now the other one, you write it as 9x, and this is plus 2y, bring it to the other side. So this is minus 2y, and 7, let it be on the right hand side. So now you can find the two equations are written in the same manner, that is the term with variable x on one side and also the term with variable y on the same side and the constant term on the other side. Same in the other equation also, the term with variable x is in the left hand side and variable y term that was earlier in the right hand side, we have transposed it, that is we have transferred it to the left hand side. So plus 2y is now minus 2y, and 7 remains in the right hand side, so this is plus 7. Okay, now these two are the pair of linear equations which we are going to solve. So we are going to solve this equation. This is one thing. First of all, you make sure that both the pair of linear equations, they are written in the same manner. That is coefficient of x and y, they are on the same side, constant. If you want to take it like this, that this will be minus 4 equal to 0 minus 7 equal to 0. That is also correct. You can take it in this way also, so that they are in the same format, both the equations. Now we have taken it on the other side, so let it be like this. Okay. So what we do now, we will make the coefficient of x or y equal. So what we can do, in order to make the coefficient of x same, so that we can get rid of the variable x, this is 3 coefficient and this is 9. So we can multiply this equation by 3. We will multiply this equation by 3. So this is, let it be your first equation and this one is your second. So multiplying equation number 1 by 3. Multiplying equation number by 3, we get 3x minus 5y equal to 4. This is your multiplied by 3. So this is 9x minus 15y equal to 12. 9x minus 15y equal to 4 into 3, 12. Okay. And the second equation remains the same, that is 9x minus 2y equal to 7. Now what we have to do, because they are of the same sign, both 9x is positive in this one, also it is the same positive sign. So in order to get rid of x, we need to subtract. If we subtract, this 9x is with negative sign, this will be positive and this one will be negative. Okay, so this one is with negative sign, this is positive and this one is negative. So 9x minus 9x gets cancelled, minus 15y and this is plus 2y. So this is minus of 13y. Okay, so this is minus of 13y, 12 minus 7, that is your 5. Right? In this way you get y equal to, therefore y is equal to 5 upon minus 13, we will write it as minus 5 upon 13. So you get one of the variable, that is y equal to minus of 5 upon 13. Now we will find the value of other equation, other variable. So for that, 3x minus 5y equal to 4, try to find the value. So this is 3x minus of 5 into minus of 5 upon 13 equal to 4. So this is 3x minus of 25 upon 13 equal to 4. This is minus and minus is your plus. Okay, minus and minus is plus. So this comes out to be now 3x is equal to 4 minus 25 upon 13. 4 minus 25 upon 13. So LCM is 13. LCM is 13. 4 into 13. 4 into 13. That is 52 minus 25. This is equal to 52 minus 25. That is your 27. So this is 27 upon 13. Therefore, x is equal to 27 upon 13 into 3. 13 into 3. So 3 into 9 is 27. Therefore, this is your x. Therefore, x is equal to 9 upon 13. So this is how we go about it. No. See, elimination method, these two equations, they are given. The first thing that we do, we write them in the same format. This is the variable terms on one side and the constant term on the other side. Both of these two equations, first step, they are written in the same format. Now, in order to make the coefficient of one of the variables the same, what we do here, we find that coefficient of x is 3 and here coefficient of x is 9. 9 comes in the table of 3, so what we do, we multiply our equation number 1 by 3. If we do that, you get this equation as 9x minus 15y equal to 12. 4 into 3 is 12. And the other equation, that is 9x minus 2y equal to 7. Now 9x both are of same sign. So in order to get rid of x, what we do, we subtract them. Subtracting equation number 2 from this third one. So if you subtract, the symbols gets changed. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and again this plus 7 becomes minus 7. So these two gets cancelled. Minus 15 and plus 2, that is minus 13, and 12 minus 7 is 5. Therefore you get y is equal to 5 upon minus 13. This is how we write it. We keep this negative sign in the numerator. So this is minus 5 upon 13. So one of the variable value is minus 5 upon 13. In order to get the value of the other variable, we substitute it in any one of the equation. Say this is the first one. This is 3x minus 5y equal to 4. We substitute the value of y. This is minus 5 upon 13. Now multiplying them, minus minus plus, 5 into 5, 25, and this is 13. Right hand side, this is 4 and this is 3x. Now 3x is here. 4 and 25 by 13 is transposed to the other side. LCM is 13. 4 into 13 is 52. Then this is minus 25. 52 minus 25 is 27 upon 13. 27 upon 13, this one. Now this is 3x, this is 3x. So this is again divided by 3. It goes to the other side, that is divided by 3. So 27 upon 13 into 3. 3 and 27 gets cancelled. This is 9. So in the numerator, this is 9 and this is 13. So value of the other variable is 9 upon 13. So this is the answer. Finally, you write them together. X equal to 9 upon 13 and y equal to minus of 5 upon 13. So this is how to go about your elimination method. And for substitution method, you take the value of x, you can take as equal to 2y plus 7 upon 9 and you substitute that value of x in the other equation, you get the value of y. Because in that case also by substitution you have removed one of the variable and you will solve it. That's what we have done yesterday, that is solution by substitution method. Now this is the question we are solving by elimination method. Same question in this exercise, they have asked you to solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method and substitution method. So you can practice these questions. I am showing you the elimination method. While practicing, you also find out whether you get the same answer by substitution method or not. You can check it. Please note it down. So after that we want to do one word problem, that is from your question number 2. In question number 2 there are some word problems given. There are some word problems. So question number 2, we will solve the first part Question number 2, first part by elimination method. This is a word problem. First of all, we will frame the equation. The equation is not given. We will frame the equation and then we will solve it. See question number 1, question number exercise 3.4, exercise 3.4. Question number 2, first part. Question number 2, first part. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. This is one of the cases. And it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So earlier also, yesterday we have, or day before yesterday while doing exercise 3.1, we have done these type of questions. See, we need to find the fraction. So we assume it, let the fraction be x upon y. That is, we assume the numerator to be x and the denominator is your y. This is how we initiate the question. We start the question. Let the fraction be x upon y. Or you can say let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Therefore, the fraction is x upon y. Okay. Now, case 1. The first case, there are two different cases given over here according to the question. The first part, it says if we add 1 to the numerator, so x plus 1, and subtract 1 from the denominator. So denominator is y. If you subtract 1 from the denominator, then the fraction reduces to 1. Fraction reduces to 1. 1 means 1 upon 1. 1 means 1 upon 1. Okay. So this is case 1. Once again, please read it. Let the fraction be x upon y. When 1 is added to the numerator and denominator is reduced by 1, the denominator is reduced by 1. Reduce means to decrease. Reduce means minus. Okay. Increased or addition means plus 1. Reduced, subtract, this is your minus. Okay. The fraction becomes 1. 1 means 1 upon 1. So this is what you have got according to the question. Now, in order to get the linear equation, we will do cross multiplication. Okay, we will do cross multiplication. If we go for cross multiplication, we get x plus 1 into 1, that gives you x plus 1 only, and y minus 1 into 1 will give you y minus 1. So this becomes x minus y equal to minus 1, and 1 also goes to the other side. This is x minus y equal to minus 2. So this is one of the linear equations you have got. X minus y equal to minus 2. Now let us take case 2. Now we will take case 2. According to the question, in case 2, it says that it becomes 1 by 2. It means the fraction. The fraction becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. That means we are not changing the numerator. It remains the same. Only thing that we change, that is we add 1 to the denominator. So earlier my fraction was x upon y. But if we add 1 to the denominator, that is x upon y plus 1, then the fraction, it becomes 1 by 2. It means the fraction x by y, the fraction, it becomes 1 upon 2. The fraction was x upon y, the denominator 1 is added or it is increased by 1. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 2. Again we will do cross multiplication. If we do cross multiplication, 2 into x gives you 2x, and this y plus 1 into 1 gives you y plus 1. So you get 2x minus y equal to 1. So these are the two linear equations you have got. Okay. This is 2x minus y equal to 1. Now, because today we are doing elimination method, we will solve these two equations by elimination method. Now see, the coefficient of y is minus 1. Here also the coefficient of y is minus 1. So in order, because this coefficient is already the same, we need not multiply. Simply we will subtract these two equations. Because the sign is same, if we subtract, the y variable will be eliminated. The other way you can do, this is 2x and this is x. So you can multiply this linear equation by 2. In that case you will get 2x. This also has 2y. And then finally you need to again subtract. Because this will also become 2x and this is also 2x. In that case also you need to subtract. But anyway, we can get rid of the multiplication exercise if we simply add these two equations, because coefficient of y is already same in both these two linear equations. So this is your equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. If we subtract equation number 2 from 1, we get x minus y equal to minus 2, and the other one is your 2x minus y equal to 1. Now because you are planning to subtract, you will change the sign. This minus y will become plus, this plus will become minus, and this also will become minus. So this is your x minus 2x, this is minus x, this gets cancelled, and this is minus 2 and minus 1, this is minus 3. So this is minus 3, minus minus gets cancelled, therefore x is equal to 3. So value of one of the variables is 3. In order to get the value of the other variable y, let us choose this equation. This says x minus y equal to minus 2. You substitute the value of x as 3. This is minus y equal to minus 2. 3 goes to the other side. Minus y equal to minus 2 minus 3. So minus y equal to minus 5. Minus minus gets cancelled. Y equal to 5. So both the variables are now, values are available, x equal to 3 and y equal to 5. Therefore finally your answer fraction is x upon y. So this is 3 upon 5. The fraction is 3 upon 5. So the fraction is 3 upon 5. This is your answer. So today we have solved this one word problem, very simple word problem. You see that the word problems, there are different types of word problems like speed questions, then you get some area, length and breadth. These type of questions are also there, and sometimes this fraction question. These are different types of word problems that you get from this your algebra chapters. So I hope you have noted it down. Once again, let me explain it. Let the fraction x upon y according to the given conditions, we find that x plus 1 upon y minus 1, because numerator is increased by 1 and the denominator is decreased or reduced. Please remember these terms. Increased means addition, decreased or reduced means minus. The fraction becomes 1. 1 means 1 upon 1. Now you do cross multiplication and you get the linear equation. And in the second case, numerator remains unchanged, denominator is increased by 1. 1. So the fraction becomes 1 upon 2. Now again cross multiplication, you get the other equation. Now we need to solve these equations. We will get such values of x and y for which both these two equations are true. We need to look for those values of x and y, particularly a unique value of x and y for which these two equations will be true. For that, we use the elimination method. Elimination means removing one of the variables. We get rid of one of the variable. For that, we add these two equations because already the coefficients of y is same. So we subtract. This is minus minus. If we subtract them, one of this minus will become plus and these two will get cancelled. So we get rid of y and this is minus x, minus 2 and this is minus 1. This is no longer plus 1, this is minus 1. So minus 2 and minus 1 is your minus 3. Then minus x and minus 3, minus minus gets cancelled, x is equal to 3. Then in this equation, that is the first one, this equation, you substitute the value of x. X is equal to 3, 3 minus y equal to minus 2, then minus y, minus 2 and 3 also transpose to the other side, that is minus 3. So minus y equal to minus 5, minus minus gets cancelled, y equal to 5. In this way, the fraction is 3 upon 5. This is your answer. Now I will give you few homework. Few questions for your homework will be from this exercise only. Exercise 3.4, just now I have discussed with you question number 1. I have done all the 1, 2, 3 part and I will ask you to do the fourth part. Exercise 3.4, question number 1, fourth part, and question number 2. I have done the first part with you and this is second, third, fourth and fifth. Second, third, fourth and fifth part. This will be your homework. So in all, I am giving you 5 questions and my dear students, tomorrow being Sunday, we are not going to have class tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. So you practice these questions. Try to recall what all we have done in these 3 or 4 lectures that we have covered in this topic. Please go through them and practice the questions. Also the solved examples from your textbook. Try to solve them. They are also very important. I have told you earlier also. So with this we come to an end to this class and we will meet again Monday. Practice these questions. Goodbye. Take care. Goodbye.